Hi, I'm Dan Wheaton. I'm a nationally recognized insurance consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to reduce car insurance. Reducing car insurance is kind of a strange way of putting something, because the reality is that what you're really trying to do is find a way to drop your premium, right? I mean, bottom line is by reducing your car insurance, you're paying less on your premium. There's a couple different ways to do that. One of them is by dropping coverage. Dropping coverage yourself means I'm going to eliminate a certain part of my auto insurance, take it on myself, and then take on that full risk while my insurance premium goes down. For instance, dropping coverage to your comprehensive and collision means that I am now going to be the insurance company for any damage to my vehicle. That's good news from the part that your premium is now going to be substantially less. The trade-off is that anything that happens to your vehicle now you are fully responsible for. I've heard people talk about dropping uninsured motorist coverage to save some money. Again, you lose a little premium off of that monthly amount that you're paying. However, if you are hit by somebody who is uninsured or underinsured, you're now taking on that full responsibility. You can't drop liability coverage. I believe most states say it is a requirement. It's the one thing that you have to have. It's required. So you can't drop that. Reducing car insurance premium can come by dropping coverage, but you want to be very careful. I'd never recommend that you drop uninsured motorist coverage. However, as your vehicle does get older, what you get in return for it gets less. And so you might take a hard look at dropping either comprehensive and collision to save a little money, but knowing that you are now become basically the insurance company, a self-funded insurance company on that. Anytime you drop coverage, it's now on you because the risk is still out there. Just know that as you look at trying to find ways to reduce your insurance premium, that with that comes the challenge of having something now fall onto your lap. Bottom line, be careful what coverages you drop because you are now going to be responsible for them. The good part is your premium's less. The bad part is that you might have to take it out of your pocket. Again, my name is Dan Wheaton, and we talked about ways to reduce your coverage and to drop coverage. Thanks for watching.